MUTARATARA uyu wa mathomo makonii kuramata mbeca wambiriirie kugerio gatagati-ini ka arutani 120 a JSS thiini wa thukuru 36 kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Makueni, Laikipia, Siaya na Kiambu. Kuhitukira ngwataniro ya ruhonge rwa guthurima mitaratara ya githomo KICD na kambuni ya Old Mutual, riu mutaratara uyu ni uruguritio mathukuru-ini mothe na ugukorwo gitwarithio na mbere kuri arutani a junior na senior secondary.
We need to empower our learners to be able to today, regardless of the level at which they are, to use the competencies that they learn at school to address their personal challenges, the problems of the communities where they live, and by extension, the problems of the country.
It is anticipated that imparting financial disciplines to the younger generations as a part of the everyday learning will contribute to a more robust economy.
Akigathiriria mutaratara uyu murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Old Mutual Arthur Oginga augite no meguthii na mbere kunyitanira na honge itiganite na itanya ria kugacirithia githomo gikoni mahuthiro ma kimbeca na makiria kuri mbeu njithi.
This initiative is not short term and hence my request that more organizations join through. It's a long-term program for which I can assure you we are committed to, because it does make for a brighter Kenya and certainly a more successful Old Mutual.
Kuhitukira rurenda rwa Elimika platform, arutani riu no mambiririe kwigwatira githomo thiini wa kothi itiganite ikonie mahuthiro ma kimbeca.
And I want just to urge that Old Mutual, please keep partnering with us, because it is through this kind of collaboration that we are able to impart on our learners practical competencies to address practical problems.
Kambuni ya Old Mutual ihuthirite muigana wa shiringi milioni 25 kuhura njeki tafarire ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngena wa Wadira.